Okay, hey people, got some new goodies here. Got a green 1105, should be a challenge. I got this really insane, I believe it's called a mortise lock. It's for like a storefront, and the tolerances are so freaking high in this rim cylinder. It's amazing. It's just a Schlag SC4 6-pin keyway, but the tolerances in this lock are insanely high, incredibly hard to pick. Yeah, this particular rim cylinder, where most are made of brass, like this one. This one here is actually made of bronze, which is a mix of copper and brass. So look forward to seeing this picked in one of my upcoming videos. And of course I got a regular Schlag 5-pinner, a Wiser 5-pinner to make a cutaway out of, and an Ace disc lock with generic M1 keyway. This isn't the key for it, but just to show. Hello. Hang on a sec. Sorry about that. Anyway, with no further ado, let's get to some picking.
Yeah, what? That's correct. Yeah. What happened? Yeah.
And there we have it. There's the disc lock. Okay, that's a 4-pinner. Definitely has spool pins in it. And due to time and memory issues, tune in for my next video. I'll be doing this one next. So, peace, don't break the law, and have fun.